I came to the residency program because I had a really good experience the first time that I came here, and I knew that coming back and having all this time to work on my aerial skills would help me reach my aerial goals.
I came to my first retreat just a couple months ago, and I had such a great time that I knew I wanted to come back.
I wanted to spend some real time perfecting my aerial arts.
It's a unique experience for me because I get individualized support and coaching in a way that I never have before.
I am absolutely loving the classes. The teaching is tailored to the individual. The skills classes are really good for breaking down those things that I've been struggling with and really improving my technique.
We meet almost every day besides scheduled rest days, which I find very important. I don't feel pressured to do all the things here.
I have felt perfectly fine to take a day out of class, to stay away from everyone for a day if that's what I need.
I feel like I get to pick and choose what's best for me.
My favourite class is definitely artistry. I can feel myself becoming more relaxed in my own body.
Find character and theme and mood, freedom and encouragement to be weird, to work on what I want to work on.
Starting to engage with music and starting to dance more.
It's pushed me farther out past my normal boundaries, which has actually been really good.
I really value what I'm learning here. I've been preliminarily offered a job where I get to teach aerial. These things that I used to do but never fully understand are things that I now feel like I'm able to help someone else understand.
This is my happy place.
I absolutely love it.
My name is Rumi and I'm from Washington State.
I'm Teresa and I'm from California.
I'm Sally. I'm a maths teacher from the UK. This year I've been teaching online and I continued teaching online when I got here.
In my downtime here, I get a lot of reading done. I mostly take the time to relax and decompress, but I also have time to work on my own personal projects.
Most of my downtime is spent working online.
In my downtime, I'm taking Spanish classes, I'm doing lots of reading, I'm eating popsicles and fresh mangoes, swimming in the pool and just relaxing. The meals are delicious and healthy and plentiful.
The food, of course, is fantastic. The fact that I don't have to make anything and I get great meals every day.
You're not going to go hungry. The community here is almost like family. We speak to each other openly and we all care about each other so much. And I feel really, really safe here.
People thought I was crazy to come to Mexico in the middle of a pandemic, but I was surprised at how easy it was to actually get here. Once I got on the plane, the rest of the trip went very smoothly, even spending a night in Mexico City.
Here I feel as safe as I possibly could.
I mean, we practically live outdoors.
Outside of the classes, my favourite thing about the residency program, the people, the food, mostly the people. Friends for life.